Welcome, little artists! Let's take to the skies with our drawing adventure. Today, we'll sketch an airplane and a helicopter. Start by drawing the airplane. Sketch a long, narrow oval for the body and attach wings. Next, add a tail fin at the back of the airplane and draw a cockpit window at the front. Great job! Now, let's draw the helicopter. Begin with a rounded body and add a cockpit area towards the front. Then add tail rotor at the back and add attached to rotor blades on top of the helicopter. Now, let's add some vibrant colors to our airplanes and helicopter. Color the airplane with shades of blue for the body and wings, and add some yellow for the windows. You're doing wonderfully. Keep coloring until your aeroplane done. Great job! Now for the helicopter, use shades of red or yellow for the body and add some gray for the rotor blades and tail rotor. You're doing wonderfully. Keep coloring until your helicopter done. Fantastic job! Your flying machines are now ready to soar through the skies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content. Bye-bye!